Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you updated your iPhone to iOS 26 and now it feels slow, laggy or just as smooth as before? Don't worry, you are not alone. And I'm going to show you some quick and easy fixes that help speed up your iPhone and make it feel fresh again. Let's dive right into it. Solution 1. Restart your iPhone. I know it sounds basic, but trust me, this fixes a ton of small glitches. Here's what to do. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Drag the slider to right side to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. That's it. Solution 2. Update all apps. Sometimes it's not iOS causing the lag, it's your apps. Developers usually push out updates to make them compatible with the latest iOS. So head to the App Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Here update all apps. Solution 2. Reduce motion. Open the Settings app. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on Motion. Here turn on Reduce Motion. Your iPhone will stop wasting energy on extra animations and everything from opening app to swiping screen will feel way faster. Solution 3. Clear Safari cache. If it's laggy or website take forever to load, clearing the cache can make a big difference. To do this, open Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Again scroll down and tap on Safari. Here tap on Clear Safari and Website Data. Hit Clear History. That's it. Browsing instantly feels smoother. Solution 4. Free up storage. When your iPhone is packed with all photos, apps and files, it struggles to run smoothly. So let's free up some space. Delete apps you don't use. Clear out all photos and videos. And most importantly, empty your recently deleted album. That thing holds a ton of hidden storage. Just head to Settings. Tap on General. Tap iPhone Storage. Here delete recently deleted album. And that's it. Hopefully this solution can fix the problem for you. If it works, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.